Look at that barbecue brisket. Just about time to get it off the grill. Thought you'd let me show you a few things available at Bob's Barbecue.